So, ladies and gentlemen, today is 2021 November 16th, and this is TNT Sunrise from TradingView Top Author. And I have been putting my streaming at Binance for more than 3 weeks, and this is scheduled. Okay, every week, every Tuesday, uh, about 9 p.m. Singapore time or 9:30 Singapore time. Today we have about 30 minutes delay from the start because yeah, I just found that I have to place additional 30 minutes before the real live show, right, from this room. Okay, is Bit going to crash or moon? All right, good question. Yeah, great. So just wait for just a couple minutes, wait for other people to come. All right. So this will be interesting. Okay. So this is chart is from the ETH, and what I have drawn is what do we call harmonic pattern. So anyone have any idea of harmonic pattern? Do you ever see this pattern before? Do you? Yes, I'm going to answer that. Is Bitcoin going to crash or moon? Hello, Shiba going. Shiba still ranging, right? Shiba no other. There's no momentum, as I said from last week. Okay, what we can see is that the Ethereum has been testing the 1.272 extension at a 4700 and start to crash, right? So immediately what you can do is you can place a limit sell order at 4467. Okay, 4467. I'm trying to trying to chat with me from English. Thank you. Cause yeah, I cannot understand other languages besides English and Chinese. All right. So let's see the Bitcoin first, okay? From my last webinar, I have mentioned that this is a great ABCD pattern, and you can see that, okay? So typically, when an ABCD pattern happens, uh, just to tell us, okay, the second drive is going to be complete, okay? So ABCD happens, and when the price hits to the 1.618 extension, and we do found a very nice reversal sign here, okay, in last week, okay, because last week, last Tuesday was at 11 November 9th, right? Yeah, at the same day, my last webinar, I told you guys that to be careful that the price may not going up anymore because it hits to this 1.618 extension at 67530. Okay, and we do see a very good reversal happens right now. I want you guys, for anyone that still are holding BTC long positions, you should already listen to my advice that has been pl- close some profit at this high, and now the price is dropping below this wedge. Okay, you can consider this as a wedge pattern, right? This is a wedge, and the price was broken this pattern just now in just the recent for today. Okay, 4 hour chart. What do we have? Okay, nice breakdown, and followed by another attempt of another crash. Right? Yeah, I will cover Shiba later. Okay, don't be afraid. I will cover that. Okay, so let's just find any clue from the Bitcoin first. Okay, so immediately what you can see is 63,000 becomes very strong support, resistance. All right, here 63. Okay, so you place a mark here, right? If there's any pullback to this place, what should you do? Give me an answer. Okay, this is a breakdown, and what do we have to wait for the pullback to coming back to around 63K? What is your option to trade? Anyone? Yeah. Write down the answer in the chat screen in the chatting room. What will you prefer? You prefer to buy BTC right now? You want to capture a bounce, or you want to sell the high to capture the next trend? Mm-hmm. Yeah. The good answer will be we can consider to sell high to short the BTC because there might be another wave coming down, right? I think that the target would be around 52K, around here. Okay, the BTC may fall back to 52K to 53K. Okay, this could happen. This could happen because the trend has been, violated, and the price stop making higher high but making lower low, right? Lower low. So what do we have? Low here, right? We have another low here, lower low, right? So this is important, and you guys should be have any, putting alert on BTC. Stop buying BTC at this stage because the wedge was broken, and we want to sell the high. Hold forever. All right. If you choose to hold forever, promise me, don't buy any contract. Okay. You can hold your coin in your wallet, very safe, no leverage. But if you choose to hold any contract, the permanent contract, then it might be very dangerous, right? Because the price, shutting down 5% today, it may go another 10%, right? Drop back to 52K, and you have to cutting loss of your long positions. Hmm. All right. Okay. Good. Let's go for the ETH. Ethereum, very nice dropping. Okay, and just cutting the low at the 4466. Okay, so for ETH, what we can do is to sell the high. As same thing. Okay, sell the break, sell the pullback at 444500 for ETH will be a good choice. The price may continue going down to 3,600 and 2,500. Right, this is a big harmonic pattern, and the power is very strong because look at it here. The price never break the 1.4 extension. All right, so 4,700 becomes very strong support resistance, and we do see a reversal coming down. So finding on pulling back to sell from 5,000, okay, 4,005, and aim for 3,006 and 2,004. Tell more about the future trade strategies. Sure, best crypto next week. Well, this is not. Yeah, for ETH, you should actually close your long positions because the channel was broken, right? Very obvious, right? The channel was broken, right? And this is a like 3 months, okay, from September, October, November, right? 3 months rally was end. Okay, the price may come coming back to 618, 3,500, right? This will be a medium target for the ETH. I know some people may feel that, oh, how come? Why? Right? It's a good product. It's a good thing. ETH is good, no? But you have to follow the trend. The trend is telling you, yeah, I'm coming down. I'm coming down. Stop buying. Stop buying. Right? It's better to sell the pullback. Sell the high. Sell the high. Sell the high. Wait for the price coming back to 3,005 before you putting another long position at this place. Great. Can we make the deal? Okay. Don't buy ETH when the downtrend occurs. Right. Trying to sell the pullback, or at least do any hedge first. For example, you hold any ETH in your wallet, right? And you better sell some contracts, all right, to hedge the loss, hedge the risk. LTC, okay, sure. We cover LTC later. LTC 276 was hit, and congratulations for my last webinar. Okay, and we bought from 190, and my target I put the mark here 276 is hit. Okay, yeah, I told you guys it will hit this zone, and boom, price is coming back, right? Okay, so LTC very simple. It's ranging, right? Wide range, sideways. The top is at 280, the bottom is 200. Okay, you can choose to buy the low or sell the high. Up to you. Okay, buy the low or sell the high. It's up to you. Both are okay. All right. LTC range trading, sell the high or buy the low. 200 to 280. What about AVA? Okay, yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to cover it one by one, right? So today you can look at the percentage change, right? It's just all red, all red. Nobody was green, right? Nobody. Okay, let's go to Shiba. Shiba is still in the triangle, right? Break the triangle a little bit and coming back to retest 0.0050, which is a very strong support. Okay, so I do believe that the Shiba may not be, going back down anymore. You can consider to slowly to buy some Shiba at this stage because the money coming out from the BTC or from the ETH might go into the Shiba. Okay, so 0.00004050. Okay, this becomes support. Of course, the downside, right? The downside may still have some room to go to 0.0036, maybe, all right? But I doubt that. I doubt that it may not come into this low, right? 0.50 will be a very good support. I go to 1 hour chart, you can see this very long pin bar, right? What do we call this? Is a pin bar, okay? A bullish pin bar occurred, right? So this is a good news. Good news for the Shiba. All right, 0.000046 is supported, and the price is already, coming to a sideways. No more bearish momentum. Right, the price may going up back to 0.000055. Okay, back to 55, or even going to take like to 0.62, maybe. All right. Hello from Greece. Hello. Yeah. How about the other? Okay, sure. Uh, I will just follow the list. Okay, I will just use the list. I will just go in one by one so that you can understand what is a bad strategy. Okay, for me, I'm very simple person because I know that a lot of you guys, all right, prefer to know where to buy, where to sell. Okay, so I will just pick up those very high quality trade. All right, so there will be two things I will help you. Okay, first trend, second, right, buy or sell. Right, very simple. Okay, reply me by one. Reply me by one if you want to know more about the current trend, or reply me by two. You want to know the trading strategy at the current stage. You want to know where to buy, where to sell, what's the target, where's the stop loss. Okay, just to reply me in the chatting room. One or two. Okay, so I want the withdrawal method. Withdrawal method is quite easy. Hello from Belgium. What about a CHZ and IOTA? Okay, I will look at here. CHZ. What's that? CHZ. Okay. Um, very strong. Very interesting pattern. Okay. Okay. Let me add it to the watch list first. IOTX. Okay. IOTX. IOTX USDT. Oh, okay. This one. Hmm. This one is strong, right? But the value of this one looks at a very high place. So yeah, we can see some people are selling at the high. Okay, that's why the price stopped going up anymore. I think the price may pulling back and then going down to retest 0.14. Okay, so be careful. The price may come into 0.14, and only upon at that time you can consider to buy some. All right, is that okay? Okay, good. Thanks for my fans from TradingView. What about the BNB? Oh, okay, sure. Let me. Okay, let me put my chatting at this here, so that I can see your. Yeah, I can see your message. Right, baby dog. Okay, Let's go to the dog coin. The dog coin, okay, dog coin has been sideways for quite long, from September to November. Okay, the dog coin has not passing the previous high at a 0.34, and yet the dog coin found some base from 0.20. Okay, so for dog coin, you may consider to long when the price coming down a little bit. Okay, and it may give you a great buying opportunity at the low here, and you can wait for the price going back to 0.33. Mm. Dot. Oh, sure. Okay. Dot. 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 Okay. Dot. What we do for the last week is we found a very great place to buy from $38, and the price just rallied back to 54, and now the price coming back to the same place here. Okay, for the dot, I will consider, yeah, it's good to buy from 39. All right, the structure was breakout and pull back and supported. Look at the pin bar here. Okay, look at the pin here, and we go to 1 hour chart. You can find that yes, buyers at 39. Okay, there were buyers at 39. So what you can do is you can wait for the price to come back a little bit. All right, like the half of the pin, you can consider to buy from here, like 39.51 will be a great place for you to launch. And let's look at the VP, the volume profile, right? So for professional traders, we may want to use volume profile. Mhm. Okay. Let me check the volume profile. Oh, volume profile. Okay. Fixed range. Right. I prefer that for fixed range. Okay. Yep. Mm, okay. The volume profile tells that the major resistance may come from 46, and now we don't see too much volume here, mm, which is not very good. Okay, so basically it tells you that yeah, it's still going down. The pressure is very you know community script, my script. Where's my volume profile? Looks like the trading view has changed something. That where's my volume profile? Objective true settings. Ultra 3 Pro 25 level auto EP. Can you please have a look at that Gala? Sure. Can you share your gold analysis? Gold is still very strong for the gold. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is the volume profile for the BP for the dot. Okay. So daily chart, you can find that yeah. Okay. The major volume comes here. We have some support. There's heel here. Okay. All right. And it tells that the 16 is a very strong support, but I doubt that price may going down anymore. So 39, 40, you have to look at it here, right? Find some place to buy. There might be another rally back to 51. But the second time when the price coming back to 51, you may consider to sell. Okay, always trying to sell the high or buy the low, right? So right now we can buy the low, right? Stop loss giving back to 37. Okay, so if 37 is not broken, you can buy the DOT and aim for 51, and then you can sell again. All right, is BNB again comes to 650? Sure, BNB. Go for BNB. BNB perpetual contract. All right, okay, look at here. Okay, right, BNB already putting a double top. This is for sure, right? First top, second top. So good to sell the high, coming back to 630. Okay, sell the BNB at 630, and aim for 520 and 480. This is a strategy for the BNB. Okay, can you do please add ADA or sure the ADA? Yep. Okay. Okay, ADA coming back to the down channel again. Price trying back to setting to at a 1.90. Finding some support at this stage. So ADA may have support from here. Go to 1 hour chart. Okay, yeah, long pin bar already shows. Good pin bar. You can buy. You can buy the ADA based on the pin bar. Any questions? You can buy from here, ADA. Oh, other has been become not very good right now. Really? How about the fundamental side? Yeah, I think this place still are quite okay because if you draw this 618, you can find the price, yeah, just sitting very nice at 1.814. So the price do have the room to go up. Mm. That is my view on ADA. Polygon, sure. So how about how's your position on ADA? Do you still hold that or not? Okay, okay, Ripple, okay, finding a very strong resistance at 1.34. Price coming back to retest again. But for the Ripple, try to be careful because there is a very good, very strong trend line that is here. The price is putting a consolidation, and so far we don't know where it's going, but it's not very good for the bulls. Right, it may going down for the Ripple. EOS, right? Good. Okay, EOS okay to buy the dip at $4. Right, $4 will be okay. Good to buy the EOS right now. This is a good trade. Harmonic pattern, one rally. All right, so the first rally already comes, and right now is a correction. Okay, correction for the EOS. If you buy the EOS right here, your total stop loss will be putting at a 3.5. You are only missing about losing about 0.80 for one coin, one EOS. Okay, so probably if you want to putting a risk about $80, all right, you can buy 100, all right, 100 coin. Mm. Okay, because 100 now is 4.38. The stop loss at 3.58. So the difference between the entry and the stop, okay, will be about 0.8, right, 0.85. And if you buy 100 coins, you are only risking $85. Right? Can you please add alpaca? Mm. ICP, sure. Okay, good products. ICP, what is that? ICP is weak. It's still weak. $40 may not be supported because look at here. This place has been used for too many times. Okay, so if the ICP have another strong sell, it may break this level, going to retest $30 or $28 here, and then it going up. Okay, so for ICP, you can still wait. Right, no buy at this moment. No buy. Okay, look at the Sol. Mm. Sol also putting a double top, right, and the trend line may be challenged. Okay, so we have to understand whether 220 will become support If not, the price may not have any other room for rally again. May the price may just going down. Okay, so be careful. The soul may have another fall. What do you think of the overall trend of BTC? All right, overall trend I can tell you is a range. It's ranging. Okay, because when you want to see the overall trend, you have to go in back to a weekly chart. And from as what I see is the BTC didn't really cross or break the high that occurred on this month this April, right? The high created on April was at a 64854, and the price already tried to break this level for once, twice, but failed. Right, so this is a very strong selling point for the BTC. The price may going back to 52K first. First level is here. Second level will be 440 around here, or even going back to 3006 again. Right? So BTC, the overall range session will become from 28K to 68K, 40K distance. That's the range trading for BTC. Okay, Filecoin, sure. For Filecoin, I'm not very sure that which I'm talking about. Is this one? File, File USDT, right? Yeah. Okay, for the file, I will say it's good because it's very weak. Price coming down, and coming down. It may break. It may break for $40. Just be careful. The file may break down 40 and going back to 32 or 26. I think it's okay to buy at the bottom. And now there's no longer there's no longer bull trend at the file. Any possibility to look at the BitShares BTS? Okay, sure. The BTS daily chart still range 0.04 becomes support, 0.06 become resistance, and price is ranging very nice. So the price may coming back to 0.4 again, and you can consider to buy from here, okay, and maybe the price may eventually going to 0.09 here, right? Crypto apology. Bro, slowly, bro, and say slow. What do you show? Oh, okay, sure. I will say slow. Sure. Jasmine, please. FET. Okay, please do XRP bro. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thanks for coming. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. Share this room to your friends. Okay. Yeah. Share this live session to your friends so that they can be benefit from my webinar. They can know what is going on and what they want to ask. Okay. Great stuff. Thanks a lot. Sure. Gala. Okay. Can you look at a gala? Sure. Okay, guys, you can just check how quickly I am that I by posting a good trading plan to you guys, right? Just within seconds. Okay, for the gala, you can sell right now because I do find a good pattern for the gala. What is this? This is inside the bar, right? Mother bar, inside bar, right? Break down, go for sell. The Gala may going down. This is all-time high. Hmm. Gala is reversal. So reverse trade is coming. Gala may still going down. hmm Maybe you didn't know this VIN. What is VIN? This one? Let's coin out of VIN. Okay, win. Okay, for the win, I think yeah, it's still not very good because the price coming to touch the high from here. The channel is here. Okay, the price may going down. Okay, I don't know what is this con is, but the price is coming down to retesting here. Well, if the price can go stand above 0.00008, well, there might be another rally for the stage because double bottoms was created. Okay, neckline was broken. Coming back to the neckline, you want to buy, and the next target will be 0.0014. Okay, sure. Copper, right? I will cover copper. I will cover copper later, right? Because right now this session, uh, I'm actually putting a live show on both TradingView and Binance. Okay, so I have to answer all the currency first. Okay, so if I have time, I will cover gold and copper later on. Sure. Can you do AVAX? Sure. Okay, AVAX. AVAX. This one. This one. Okay. Hmm. Is correction is coming. Price may going back to testing 79 again. Right, just as what I draw the arrow. Right, you may come in want to buy from here and wait for another rally. This is the ABA. Okay. How about the one? The one. Whoa, the one. The one stopped the create any higher high anymore. So 0.38 becomes a pivot. Okay. No more higher high, but lower low. So the one may coming back to retesting 0.20 here. Okay, be careful. The one may still dropping. How about the AXS? Not good. Sell. For the AXS, you want to sell right now because the triangle was broken. Okay, breakdown, pulling back, go for sell. Aim for 100, 09, and 90. Okay, the price may come into retesting this level. So yeah, the first drop just shows, right? One drop, second drop for the AVA. AXS, sorry, not AVA, AXS. Good to sell the high. Is there any potential in ACH? Hmm. How does you guys find those coin? This one not good. Price is finish all the bullish wave. Price will retesting 0.068. Okay, wait for here. ACH, I don't see a good trend. Not good. Okay, BNB already covered. Okay, how about Luna? Luna, break down the channel. Luna, sell the high. Sell the high of the Luna. Price may going back to 37.95. Sell the high here. Will be your best strategy. Okay, no more uptrend. The uptrend was gone for the Luna. Sell from here, 40 and 49. Okay, so you can see the strategy I'm using is probably major from the structure, all right, and part from the candlesticks patterns recognition, and part from the trending or reversal trades that I'm picking. Hmm. How about the VET? Okay, VET complete ABCD move, right? Nice touch of 0.18, which I marks here last week, right? On November 9th. You can see the price just coming down very sharp, very fast. Okay, it dropped about like 50% maybe. Sorry, 40% to 30% already. Yeah, close to 30%. So I think the bet is okay to sell the high as well. The next target will be about 0.12, about here. Okay, Shiba. Okay, sure. Let's go to Shiba. Shiba. What we do is we already told you guys to close profit, right, at 0.000080. Okay, and what I'd say is 50 level becomes support. You can buy some Shiba at this stage, right? Try not to buy the contract, all right? Buy the coin, buy the coin from 0.000050. Okay, anyone still holding Shiba? Anyone follow the idea? You buy some Shiba, and now you can buy. Shiba is okay to buy, right? Nothing much you can lose, but don't all in, right? Don't gambling. Stop gambling. Okay. If you buy from here, 0.00005, okay, I think it's okay to for you to invest like $200 or $500 to buy the Shiba because the price is really cheap. Yeah. Yeah, ETH has already broke the edge. So what I found that the ETH may have another job paying back to 4K and a 60 sorry, 3K and a 600. Hmm. Trend changed. Trend reversed for ETH. Right? A lot of buyers are, closing the profit because they afraid the price may not have another rally, and 4,800 becomes strong resistance, and the trend line was broken. So definitely it's in a bearish trend. Okay, you have to go to the 1 hour chart. Okay, to find good place to sell, maybe 4,500. Okay, this place will be good to sell. Sell the high. Okay, if you want to buy the low, well, all that you can do is based on this pin bar, and the maximum profit you can capture will be this much, around $200. But from the risk and reward ratio, it is not wise decision because if you buy here, your stop loss going to at the pin, your target may close give you 1 to 1. See here, less than 1 to 1. This is a risk reward ratio, not very good. Okay, the R ratio is less than 1. We found that it's bad. It's bad. Yeah, not worth that. Luna already covered. Okay, let's go to the CRV. CRV, okay, CRV is okay to buy. It's cheap, and pin bar occurred. You can buy some CRV first. There might be a rally back to $4. Okay, but daily chart is still okay because it's just coming back to touch the neckline. Every coin is unique, right? Every coin is unique. Now the support is from 3.4 to 3.16. You can consider to buy some, right? The price may go back to 4.5. Okay. So what we can see that all the crypto markets has already finding a top in this today's job, right? Yeah, almost every coin. ICP, sure. ICP, ICP. $40 may not support it, may not be support. $40 may be broken. I will prefer to buy from 31. All right, put a place mark here. Buy from 31. Sorry, 26 to 31.10. ICP is quite weak. The high never goes to the previous high, right? You can see the bounce is very, very limited. Bounce, bounce, boom. All right, so the trend may still going down. IRC, LRC, okay. LRC will be here, looping, right? Looping. Okay, LRC is still quite strong. And this is last time when I teach inside bar trading strategy, right? You can follow the steps. Okay, find an inside bar, wait for the price to break the high or the low of the second candle, and then buy the breakout, right? So let's find out. Whoa, guys, can you find an inside bar from this coin? Can you consider this as inside bar? Okay, inside bar breaks down, boom, 1 to 1 hit. Okay, of course, LRC is okay to long some LRC from 2.4 because this shadow and this shadow, okay, tells something. There are buyer from this range. You can buy some LRC. The price may coming back to $3, right, for you to capture short, quick bounce, and the price may have another drop, but 2.4 become major support. Okay, so this is 2.4 become major support. Look at the pink bar here. Okay, but the inside bar breakdown putting a double top from these products. So be careful. The price may not going to break 3.4 recently. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Yeah, LRC covered. Algo, uh, algo, algo looks bad. Yeah, because a very big triangle was broken. So the price may continue to fall to 1.4. I think 1.4 become major support. Price waiting to selling the high for the algo. How about the near? Near. Near is okay to sell the high as well. All right. $12 become major resistance. Already two tried. One try, second try become double top. Neckline was retested. So the price may have another fall back to 6 to 5. I will consider to buy the near from this place. This will become a good supporting zone of $6 to $5. Okay, sure. How about the dash? For the dash coin sell is definitely a sell because the high is getting lower, low is getting higher, and the price is coming back. All right, the price may have another fall back to 160. Okay, dash may go back to 160. Better be careful. Better be careful because the up the upside move was finished at 248. This become major pivot. Okay, so the next wave, the first coming down, pulling back another selling wave for the dash. Cello. Okay. Cello is bearish. Okay. Triangle broken. Inside bar breakdown, guys, here. Right? If you recognize this inside bar, you can sell immediately when the $6 was broken, and now you earn about 3 times of your risk. Right? Yeah, 4 times already. So it's a good, nice breakdown followed by inside bar breakdown. If you come in, you can look at the replay of my last webinar, what is inside bar, because whenever you find an inside bar, okay, yeah, it's okay for you to trade the third candle, okay, break up, you buy, break down, you sell. Mm. So inside bar is a very strong strategy for you to capture the momentum, right? You can see, wow, triangle broken down and boom, just crash. Okay, so atom, sure. Atom, not good. Price already, violate the previous structure at 32. Okay, strong breakdown. So all the damage is coming from this candle. This candle just breaks all this trend. Okay, the trend line was broken. 34 become major resistance, and you want to take another setting, right? The price may going back to 25 to 22. Right? If you want to buy the atom, better to wait for this level to buy. Then that will be a wise choice for you. Okay, great. Great. Any other questions? If not, I'm going to cover the last 6 products. All right. The ruin coming back to neckline, pin bar occurred. Okay, the ruin is okay to invest. The 618 was just a touch. Okay, $11 become good support for the ruin. So the ruin is okay to buy. Okay, ruin is okay to buy and aim for 16 and 20 for the ruin. LTC covered, okay, range, big range from 180 to 280. And our last trade was very successful. You can look at here when I place a mark that we want to buy at 180, and my target is very clear at 276, right? 276, and just hit the target. Now we can buy the low again. How about the VET? Okay, VET already covered. Yeah, today VET dropped 7%. Okay, hits the target. ABCD pattern complete. 0.18 is becoming a major resistance. You want to sell the high. Sell the high of the VET. Aim for 0.12. Okay, you want to sell from here. Sell the high. Aim another selling. Okay. How about the TRX? Oh, okay, TRX. Very nice reversal in daily chart. Okay. So the TRX may coming down longer to 0.09 this place. The second place will become 0.07. So TRX Tron having some problem at 0.20, sorry, 12. This place becomes huge resistance. This is a bearish engulfing candle, right? Okay, bearish engulfing candle, break all the trend line, 4-hour chart, bearish momentum starts, finding a pullback, you want to sell. How about the Zeal? Okay, Zeal. Well, what I think is daily chart. It is not at a very low location, right? Okay, so the Zeal may be support from 0.08 from this level. You have to watch for this level to buy the Zeal. Okay, the Zilica. Zilica is okay to invest from 0.08. Alright, the price may have another rally going to 0.14 and 0.18. EGLD. Okay, EGLD. The eco squeezing, right? It's squeezing. The trend line was not broken, but this is a very, very dangerous signal. The price may reverse from here. It will easily going to touch 275 first, and it will break down, pulling back. There might be another fall going to retest 220 and 200, right? If I were you, I will trying to buy the EGLD from 200 level. Okay, it's okay to buy from here. Matic. Okay, Matic. Okay, Matic. Matic sell. Right, Matic is definitely a sell because I found a structure broken down. Structure broken down. Retest. Boom. Okay, and retest. Boom. All right. So it starts bearish trend. The Matic may go into 1.3. Okay, 1.3 will become the target for the sellers, and only upon then it may have some bounce. All right, but only a bounce. That's a bounce for the Matic. What do you think about Seri? Seri? Uh-huh. Fun. Wow, this is a new product. Be careful. Yeah, it's pretty new. You can invest some, but if the price break the low, you get to sell. Right? It's ranging. There might be another rally, but you have to wait. Yeah, it's a new product. How about the chilies? Chilies is okay. Chilies is good. Chilies, all right. This pin bar just formed. 0.46 becomes supported. Okay, look at here. It didn't break the previous low, so the chili has completed a harmonic pattern as well. All right, this is a harmonic pattern for the chili. Uh, Good to buy. Good to buy. Buy the chili. Aim for 0.55. Missed. Oh, missed. What? This one I have no comment. Look at I think the liquidation is very poor, right? Poor liquidation. Mm. Serene. This one zero. Okay. Oh, DeFi, right? This is DeFi. Oh, okay. This is DeFi. Okay. So where we got the DeFi's. Bad. This is bad. Trend is not for the up, but it's broken down. So the price may still dropping back to $5 to $4. Okay, for the serum. It's okay against the red. Solana covered already. Oh yes, Solana already covered. Yeah, so already covered. Too high. Don't chase a high. The price may break down. Okay, the trend line was broken. Right, the soul may going down to test 180, 180 and 160. Okay, if you want to buy from here. Buy from here. Buy the low. Cake. Okay. Interesting name. Cake. Oh wow, the chart is not interesting at all, right? The cake. Mm. I think $14 to $15 might be a great place to launder cake. Okay, but not now. The price may have another four. Touch a little bit and then going up. Okay, that is horrible. Yeah, but you got to follow the trend seriously. Okay. All right. Good. So, oh, forgot one thing. Link. Right. Link. Link. All right. From the location wise, Link it is not very expensive. All right. But the bad thing is, Link also break down the trend line. So yeah, after the pullback, the Link may have another sell, going back to 22 first, and the second part would be 19.80. So the link you can place some limit order to buy from the 20 level and 21 level here. So it may have another job. Sure. Stand. Okay. Stand I think is the only product that is going up today, right? Interesting. Okay. Yeah, up by 10% for the sand. Anyone know the news? Why? Why the sand is going up so strong? But I think this might be a fake because the price is trying to testing the previous high at a 3.2. So if the 3.2 cannot be violated, the price might going down anytime. KR what? KPER? KP3R. Oh, okay, sure. KP3R. Wow, it's so expensive. 1588. Hmm, dangerous. After breaking down 1440, it may just going back to 1200. Yeah, I think it's going down testing this place. Right? DYDX. DYDX. Okay. Oh, finding some support. Ping bar shows 11.50. Right? You can use this ping bar to buy. This one is okay to buy. Aim for 14. This is the first target for 14. Yeah, I think for the DYDX sounds good. The price is at the previous bottom here, and after so many long-term correction, and finally this one may have a rally from $12. Okay, yeah, DIDX looks good, but the trend hasn't changed yet. 1 hour chart have the pin bar and reversal coming a little bit. You can try to invest some DIDX, but the first target may only become 14. Yeah, you got to watch at this level. When the price coming to here, you better take some profit. Okay. Lower and please show the hockey NIU. What is that? What is a hockey NIU? All right. I think the time is quite limited, right? Almost 1 hour has been passed, and we have covered one, two, three, four, like 30 to 40 products in the past 1 hour, right? So this is what I can offer to you. Just quickly identify the trend, quickly identify the zone, so that you can place your orders accordingly, right? But remember, okay, never buy the high. Don't buy from here. Never buy the high. Finding reversals, right? Sell. Buy the low, right? Buy the low will be important. Okay. Look for inside bar. Yeah, look for inside bar. For example, here. If you find this inside bar, right, you go for the trade and boom, you earn money. Right? Inside bar is very, very powerful in crypto world. Right? Good. So thanks for coming. I will host the next webinar the same time, right? In next Tuesday. Okay. And this is TNT Sunrise, and my YouTube channel is Projack. Right? You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, Projack, and there are tons of videos that I'm posting before. Okay. Yeah. You can go to the YouTube Projack. There are many tutorials I've made, right? It's all for free. Okay, right? This is me. Okay, I'm a top author from TradingView, and I'm be very glad to give my webinars here today. Thanks for coming. Okay, plan your trade and trade your plan. See you next time. Bye bye. Yep. See you. And thanks for coming for my TradingView followers. See you next time. Bye. Oh yeah, don't forget tomorrow I will host another webinar at 10 p.m. Singapore time to cover the global markets like gold or silver